Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a revolutionary new product that's changing the way we create and sell AI content, Brand AI. If you're into content creation, digital marketing, or simply want to harness the power of AI to boost your business, stick around. This video will give you a full review of Brand AI, covering everything from its features and benefits to the pros and cons, and of course, how you can get your hands on it. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Brand AI? In a nutshell, it's the world's first AI app that brings together industry-leading AI tools and apps from big brands like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Meta, TikTok, Adobe, and more, all into one powerful platform. Imagine having access to Google Bard, Amazon Alexa AI, Adobe Creative Cloud, and even TikTok's Creative Center, all in a single dashboard. Brand AI lets you create a wide range of content like AI-driven videos, ads, drawings, translations, and marketing materials within minutes. Whether you're a freelancer, a marketer, or a business owner, this platform allows you to generate and sell high-quality AI content effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using Brand AI. First up, it's a massive time saver. You can create stunning AI-powered content in just 60 seconds. With tools from top brands at your fingertips, you don't need to juggle multiple subscriptions or spend countless hours on content creation. Secondly, Brand AI is a complete game changer for your business. You can start your own AI content creation agency and sell these high-demand materials on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. It's a great way to diversify your income streams. Third, it's super user-friendly. With a simple three-step process, access, generate, and sell, you can create jaw-dropping content without needing any prior technical knowledge. Plus, it's newbie-friendly with an easy-to-use dashboard. Lastly, it saves you money. Brand AI gives you access to premium versions of all these top brand AI tools for a one-time low fee. No more monthly subscriptions draining your wallet. And wait, there's more. If you're among the first 100 action takers, Brand AI offers a special bonus: a free unlimited reseller license. This means you can not only use Brand AI to create and sell content, but you can also sell the software itself and keep 100% of the profits. Imagine the potential for passive income with this opportunity. Additionally, the platform comes with a built-in commercial license, allowing you to create and sell as many AI assets as you want to your clients. All right, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: access to top AI tools from leading brands in one place. Easy and quick content creation in under a minute. Suitable for all levels, from beginners to experts. Offers a commercial license, allowing you to sell the AI-generated content. One-time low payment, avoiding recurring monthly fees. Comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Cons: as of now, it seems heavily dependent on internet connectivity for real-time AI processing. With so many tools available, it might feel overwhelming for someone completely new to AI content creation. The special bonuses are limited, so you'll need to act fast to grab those. Brand AI is truly redefining the modern world of AI content creation. By giving you access to the industry's best AI tools from top brands, it offers a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to create and sell high-quality content. Whether you're a freelancer wanting to create new revenue streams, a marketer aiming to boost your campaigns, or a business owner looking to scale with AI, Brand AI has you covered. With its simple three-step process, you can create, market, and sell AI-driven content like never before. Now, if you're ready to revolutionize your content creation game and start making profits effortlessly, click the link below to get your copy of Brand AI today. Remember, this is a limited-time offer with a special one-time fee, so don't miss out. Plus, with the 30-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. So, what are you waiting for? Unlock the power of Brand AI and take your content creation to the next level. Click the link now and let's get started. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and insights. Until next time, happy creating!